It's a solid. And when you let it go, look.
Welcome to OOBLEK World.
What are we doing today?
A science experiment.
Science experiment. We're gonna do OOBLEK. Ooh. Nice. Oh.
All of it.
3 drops of food coloring in the water. Ooh. How does it feel?
Good.
Does it feel good? You might need more water, huh? Bing. Bing. This is a fun, cool science experiment for kids. Isn't it cool? Because look, when you have it in your hand, it's a solid. And when you let it go, look. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah. Look here.
That's awesome, huh?
Look here.
All we need is cornstarch and water. And food coloring if you want to change the color. It's a solid, like it's hard.
Oh, I need the big one. Big.
This is so easy to make at home. How do you like the science experiment? You like it?
Yeah.
It's awesome, huh? It's so fun. Yes, it's messy, but very, very fun.
Oh, look. Ew.
Cool. That was awesome. Your hand synced in, kind of like quicksand, huh? You know how quicksand you start sinking in? Oh. And then?
I broke the out of it. I hope you like my video. Don't get first slime.
Look how easy it is to pick up.
Yeah.
And then it just goes back in. It's pretty awesome.
It's a mess now.
It's a mess now. You even have some on your face. Uh-oh. Let's see your face.